my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in pink and beige. Cross out the ones who help my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
My breakfast: 3 whole eggs, 2 egg whites, और उसके साथ साथ 1 bowl of oats with whey protein. टिपिकली ये मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट होता है हर रोज़. वी आर गोइंग टू फिनिश दिस अप. ये ख़त्म करेंगे. उसके साथ साथ विल वॉच समथिंग ऑन द लैपटॉप, और उसके बाद विल हेड ऑन टू द मोस्ट फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे, दैट इज़ ट्रेनिंग.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Pre-workout ritual. This is the most important pre-workout ritual. A steaming cup of black coffee. अगर आप black coffee नहीं पीते हो वर्कआउट से पहले, तो you should be locked up in jail. Just kidding. I'm going to finish this up, और उसके बाद we'll head to the gym and I'll see you in the pull workout.
Fallen one too many times, feeling like it never ends. Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind, looking for a better place, not to stay alone. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save us, so don't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line. Turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned, a slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save us, so don't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line.